This video is to show you how to install Maya, the free student version. What we're going to do is we're going to type in to Google Maya Educational and we're going to click onto the website. Now you need to create an account if you don't already have one, so that's what we're going to do. So we have to give them a few details. We're going to say that we're from the United Kingdom. You'd probably want to say that you're a student. I'm an educator, so I'm going to click educator. And we're going to say that we're in university post-secondary. Now we're going to fill in our details. It's going to send you an email now, so you need to click on the email to verify the account. We're going to click done. Now we're going to put in the name of our institution. Hertford Regional College. There we are, pops right up. And I'm going to say games design, and I'm going to put in media and entertainment. Make sure you click personal use only. Now we have an account set up. We're going to click continue. Now I have to click verify. You have to submit a document that proves that you're in education. You might be able to use your student ID, but I think it has to be dated. So try and find a letter or screenshot an email or a document that's dated from the college that's going to prove that you're in education there. Confirmation letter is perfect. If you get rejected, don't worry, just try and submit something that's clearer and send that. I got verified basically immediately, but it can take 20-30 minutes, so be prepared. I'm just going to click get Autodesk software. Right, so you want to pick what version you want. You should pick the most up-to-date version. Operating system, I'm working on a Mac. You can put in whatever you want. English, and it's quite a big download, so it may take some time to download. Once it is downloaded, you want to click on it and go through the installer. The installation process usually takes about 25 minutes. This doesn't really need a tutorial, it's just a case of clicking next. It should license automatically, but if it does ask you for a serial number, you will have been emailed it. I think we're going to leave it there. Have fun with your new Maya software.